I am back. Let's see what happened over here. So the leaves are wet because of the wax paper that was on them, but they're all stuck down. And I was really concerned about that. I am deciding if whether or not this is done. I think it is done. I can't think of anything else to do to it. Let's call this done. The only thing I have to do is trim the leaves. Yes, it is done. Okay. I'm anxious to start my next project. It is not going to be the Christmas one. It is going to be a funky face. A funky face is what I'm calling it. And that just cracks me up when I turn my page. I don't know if I want to do the funky face over here next to that. It seems like it doesn't coordinate. What to do? I don't know. Actually, this is round, and her face is going to be round. And I already have a coat of the white paint on here. I think I am going to put another coat of white paint on here. And I will do the girl over here. I'd like to be able to turn page after page and see what's done and give that an opportunity to dry. Well, thank you for joining me. I hope you followed along, will follow along. And I wonder how you can send me your finished picture. There's a lot on YouTube I just don't understand. I do research. Every day I'll sit down and read something, and hopefully it'll get better. So thank you for joining me. So if you have a moment, please like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll get back to you. Bye-bye now.